Hi everybody, this is Rajendra Mali from Thane. Welcome you all to introduce NGO work done by Save the Children India. The fabulous job done by STCI.
We can't change their past, but we can change their future.
It is an accelerated learning program.
Yeah.
So this is for the children who are not able to cope up with the current grade competencies.
True.
So basically, suppose when a child is admitted in the school, so maybe through right to education, a child is admitted to grade 4 because of the age. But the
That's
child
correct.
has never been to any school. In his first time, he doesn't know how to hold the pencil also.
Correct.
So here, you know what happens, the accelerated learning program that we have as a study center. So basically, at the beginning of the academic year, we do a diagnostic test.
Okay.
And through diagnostic test, we ask very basic questions about the competencies. So we feel that suppose, for example, if a child is in grade 4, so he should know all the concepts of math and language of grade 1, first, second and third. So through diagnostic test, we come to know that the child is able to cope up with the competencies up to how many grades.
Correct,
So suppose he can solve the math, suppose for example in math, he is able to solve the questions of addition or subtraction or whatever concepts
The
up
general
to grade
kind of.
second, but he is not able to do grade 3. So it shows that he is not clear with the
The
core
basics.
competency of grade 3.
Correct.
So the
it has-
child is admitted in our study center project, wherein we teach them the core concepts of grade 3, and then in a year's time we try to bridge that gap and bring that child to
To
the
normal
current grade
level.
level.
Normal level.
So that then he is able to learn whatever is for the grade 4.
In fact, even faster because
Even
he knows
faster.
the concept very
Yes, so even if suppose the concepts are not clear, the base is only not strong,
That is
so
the-
the child cannot build upon that. So
True.
basically this is what we try to do in our study center. So for grade 1 to 5, grade 1 to 5 we conduct the baseline test in diagnostic, and then we pull out children who are in the bottom 30 quartile, who are not
Okay.
able to cope up. Yeah?
Again,
and those children are with us, and we have this pedagogy which is being adopted from the Rishi Valley pedagogy, wherein we create the color cards and the workbooks. Color cards are all the activity cards, wherein the children through activities they learn the various concepts.
not
And
like
after
books
learning,
and all.
no. There are teaching aids also used in the classrooms.
Yeah.
Through teaching aids and through various activities, a child learns particular concept and then he solves the problems in the workbook.
Accordingly. Yeah.
So there are workbooks given to each and every child for math and language, and this is how a child moves from one group to the other. So the child is seated into 4 groups. So basically the first group is fully teacher supported group,
Yeah.
wherein a teacher gives her full focus on the
On
children
child.
and she explains the concept, the introduction of the concept. It
Acha.
happens in that first group where it's a fully teacher supported.
Then
Then
partial.
the child moves to the partially teacher supported group wherein the time taken by
himself.
teacher is less than fully teacher supported. Then he goes into the peer group
Where he
wherein
has
a
to
child learns with the friends.
Group.
And then finally it's an independent group wherein a child has to solve the entire concepts on his own independently. It's
That is
basically
final.
an evaluation card. So wherein we come to know that whether this child is clear with all the concepts of that milestone particular.
True.
and then he moves to the next phase.
So how many such centers are available in Mumbai or around? You're working for, I think, Powai and other regions
Yeah,
also.
so we are in expansion in 3 geographical areas.
Huh.
We have Mumbai, Thane, and Pimpri-Chinchwad Municipal Corporation,
Pune
which is near Pune.
Hmm.
So we have 93 centers in Mumbai,
Acha.
out of which there are 40 centers which are community. The rest of the centers are in municipal schools.
Okay.
In Thane we have all municipal schools. In Pimpri-Chinchwad also all municipal schools.
But how do then government allow you to conduct the
Yes, so
syllabus and
initially
all?
we go to the government officials, we explain them what are we trying to do, what is our project,
True.
and when they understand the project, they happily.
Because anyway,
Accept it,
the kind of activities going
Yes.
on.
The support is
helpful.
really good in Thane and
Nice.
Pimpri-Chinchwad also, because this is the first time from this academic year we have expanded to various locations, and it is a very good response from the municipal corporations of both the geographical
All the
locations.
locations.
So basically, maybe in the next year, maybe academic year, we are planning to expand.
Expand it. It's a kind of social work. It is nice activity you are conducting
Yes, yeah. And at the centers, how do we see whether a child is progressing,
Ah.
whether he is learning or not? So we have regular assessment pattern.
Mm-hmm.
Also, there are child progress mapping reports in each and every class. You will see there is a big A3 size huge paper Excel sheet
Uh-huh.
on the wall, wherein each and every child's name has been put up. And as the child progresses, a teacher
Yes, to
puts a date,
date.
like when did he started and when it was ended.
This
So
time bound activity.
Yes, it's a time-bound activity, and this is how we come to know that to complete a particular milestone, children take how many days. By some children they do it very fast, while some children do it very slow. So what is the reason behind doing it? So this is how, that is the
It's kind of
mapping,
feedback
yeah,
you can
each,
get.
Yeah, each and every child has been mapped on that. Also, we have our midterm and endline assessments, which are
Achha.
internal. While we come to know that during the baseline, this was the child's progress, and now how much he has progressed in the midterm and in the end.
In the end of the
These are the internal assessments that we do. Also, we have external evaluation done every year, that is by EI, Education Initiatives. So
Achha.
they do a baseline and endline.
So it
this
is
is what
double
we are
activity.
preparing now for the endline. Yeah.
This is for now external exam
External, yeah.
assessment.
These are the external evaluation we
So,
do every year.
it
So
is-
our project is being analyzed every year, like how is it performing, how are the children's progressing.
You can get the feedback and control it accordingly.
Yes, yes. And also we have a training curriculum over here wherein the teachers who are at the study center, we train them regularly. We train
To
them
update them.
twice in a year, summer vacation and Diwali vacation. So during those days when the centers are not working, when the schools are closed, we have internal trainings over here. So whatever content revision has been done, whatever we have refined our content, so the training on the content plus other soft skills also we do trainings to them. So that regular trainings are also happening. Here we also have a division on the content, wherein
Okay.
the entire content like color cards, workbook, everything has been prepared here.
Great.
And we have feedback forms given on field. So
Yeah.
whatever teaching learning material feedbacks we receive from the field,
That
they
corrections can be made.
Yes, they are
And
revised over here, so that the content keeps on revising each and every time.
so how many years now this activity is going on?
Study center has been going on since 1995.
It's quite
And SCP
long.
project has been more than 3 years now.
Yeah.
And Barwadi since the inception of STCI.
I think L&T, our company,
Yes. Yes.
is also part of the
Yeah.
process.
Yes, so this is all the entire about the projects that we run and the entire basic as we wanted to know about some.
Yeah, wonderful job.
Thank
And
you so much.
thanks a lot for giving such
pleasure.
nice information, ma'am.
My pleasure.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.
ए छोटू एक चाय लाना।
ए छोटू कोल्ड ड्रिंक
अरे छोटू
छोटू दो सिगरेट लाना
Chotu, a dismissive name for a child employed at a roadside stall. Over 10 million Chotus are victims of child labor in India. They work and serve educated individuals who don't notice child labor. Corporate employees see them just outside their workplace, but they turn a blind eye. How could we get corporate India's attention? We identified a Chotu who serves tea to the employees of a corporate office every day. We then turned Chotu, the tea server, into Chotu, the CEO, and sent him to work in the very same office. The CEO of the company then introduced Chotu to the staff. He also spoke about the atrocities of child labor and what people could do to stop it. Then Chotu distributed his visiting cards Corporate India did take notice this time and decided to take a stand. Save the Children India received over 350 phone calls reporting child labor within just 2 weeks. We carried out this activity in several corporate offices. It also went viral. Our Chotu CEO helped many other Chotus get off the street. He gave them a chance to reclaim their names and their lives.